Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 9. How to Preserve and Use Herbs. Drying herbs is an easy way to preserve your herbs for a long time. Just bundle small bunches of herbs with similar drying times and tie them with strings or rubber bands. Optional, you can use a paper bag around the herbs, but make sure to open couple holes to allow air to go inside. And you can hang them upside down in a warm, dry, well-ventilated area, but out of direct sunlight. Or the easiest way is use a dehydrator set to a low temperature between 95 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit for quicker results. About the time, it depends how many herbs you have in your dehydrator and how big it is, so for that case, you just touch the herbs. When they feel crunchy, just dry, crunchy like a cracker, that's perfect and you can stop the dehydrator. And once they are dry, you can use containers or sealed bags for longer storage time. And for delicate herbs like parsley, cilantro, and dill, you can chop them finely and freeze them in ice cube trays with a small amount of water or olive oil. And for sturdier herbs like rosemary, thyme, or sage, you can freeze the whole sprigs by spreading them in a single layer of baking sheet and freezing until firm, and then transferring them in an airtight freezer bags or any container that you will like. But do not defrost them. Add them frozen directly to the pot when you are using them for cooking. Do not defrost them because they are gonna turn brown. A simple way to preserve your delicious herbs is mixing chopped herbs with softened butter and freeze. So simple, easy, and delicious. And you can use herbs in many ways. So cooking is number one. You enhance dishes with fresh or dried herbs. For teas, just because you like the flavor or the smell, or for medicinal purposes, or you can create your own herbs for oil, creams, scented oils for stress relief, many recipes that are out there. Just keep reading and learning about how to use your herbs, pesticide free, and they directly come from your indoor garden after growing couple days, weeks, even months growing our herbs, so that is satisfying. And this is the end of our mini-series. Thank you for being here. If you have any questions, remember to contact your local cooperative extension office. We are always happy to help. Have a good day.